y'all, so we're in the car and we're about to drink our Chia seed water. She said 20 to 30 minutes. I set a timer, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm about to go in and get it crack-a-lackin' because I don't like no jelly. See, it's shit stuck already in the damn straw. Ew. It's not bad. You don't taste anything. So yeah, my only problem is I've had gastric sleeve, so I cannot like drink a whole bunch of something at one time. So hopefully it doesn't turn into gel, but I'm about to be drinking it as I'm driving little by little. Y'all, the willpower I had, I ain't give me no donuts. Look at God. I'm trying to, y'all, I have to lose these pounds. Like, how are you gonna get weight loss surgery and start gaining the damn weight back, girl? I have to get a revision, but I can't get a revision, y'all, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared to get a revision. The thing I'm scared about is losing way too much weight, you know? Like, I'm scared of looking like a crackhead. I don't want to do that. My head is already large as fuck. I don't want to, no. Nope. Y'all, but one thing I am going to do, I do need to go get some powder, washing powder. The one that the Hispanic shoes wanted. I think I'm gonna put on some clothes change clothes, put that on, change clothes, go get that, go, I think I might need to get some fabric softener, some more fabric softener, and then, probably just a bigger thing of whatever, dishwasher, whatever, detergent I use, so I'll break my money doing that. And I spent like $20 washing the other day, so the last time, so it'll probably be about the same because I got the same amount of too damn many. Yeah. So I'm gonna get my daddy dressed and take him to school, and I'll see y'all in a minute. So we're a little late today, but for breakfast we're about to drink a protein shake. Okay, y'all, so your girl just threw away hella trash. Like, when I say hella trash, I just threw away hella trash. Now I'm about to go get me a salad. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to go. I know salad to go is a little cheaper, but if I get salada, you get more bang for your buck, so you get more salad, but it's more expensive too. So, and then you can add like so many toppings, like broccoli, all types of stuff, like all the good veggies. So I think that's where I'm about to go, y'all. I think that's where we're going. I just sanitized my hands. Pretty sure we're gonna go home and eat. Yeah, more than likely we're gonna go home and eat and just do it that way. Your girl's tires are still tripping due to the coldness outside. My tracks is slipping, like, y'all, it's just too much going on. Tires tripping, tracks slipping. Like, how rude, period. Anyways, I'm about to go to Salada. I do need some lotion on, like, real bad. Yeah, people be so funny. Y'all, I'll see y'all in a minute. I don't know what my supervisor's talking about. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Just a couple of water cans.
Got my salad because when we get home, I'm devouring it. In our salad, we have chicken, shrimp, croutons, broccoli, carrots, onions, eggs, chipotle chicken, and chipotle shrimp. I have the salada mix, and I also added spinach. I have a chipotle ranch and also a Caesar dressing. I like to mix them a little bit. This is a big salad, so I normally split it in half, and that is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put the rest in my ice bag because I'm going to eat this for lunch and for dinner. We in the car, y'all, and y'all already know when we be in the car, it's time to take our vitamins. Take them vitamins so y'all don't be bald-headed like me, okay? Vitamins are brought to you by who? Motherfucking Berry Life. Y'all, Don't let these people lie to y'all telling y'all gotta take 50 million of these. If you read, the thing said take just one. You just need one. Get the just one vitamin. It has everything in there. It has iron. It has everything you need. You have the balanced probiotic. You take one of these, and then the bariatric hair, skin, and nails, you have to take 3 of these. Now these, I will break them up. I will take 2 in the morning, 2 at night if you want to. I take all 3 of mine at one time, and in all it is 5 pills. Take your motherfucking vitamins. Hold up. So here's my vitamins, besties, and I'm about to take them. All done. Click the link below to access my Berry Life little cart thing. You can order from me, or you can use code SEASON10 to get 10% off. Season, CEZON 10 to get 10% off. I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, we about to get baby boy from school. It's normally like a lot of people, but it's not a lot of people today. I guess a lot of people didn't take their kids to school. I'll see y'all once I get him. I can't eat after 7. It's currently 8:05 and my mama done made 3 enchiladas. And she put a little nigga glitter on there. I'm so hurt. But this will be my lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna pack it up for lunch. And I'm gonna drink my chia seed water. And it is what it is. Period. As soon as 12 o'clock hit, I'm eating. 12 o'clock on the dot. We are finally on the way home. It's 8:20. I normally like to put my baby in the bed by 9 o'clock, but he's gonna be in the bed a little after 9 today. That's okay. I'm about to put him in the tub. I do need to mop and stuff, and then I am going to pre-pack our stuff for tomorrow. Just have all of that ready. These people are doing the complete most in the street. Like that car, I don't know if the car stopped. Oh, they just stopped in the middle of the street. Okay. Cool. I do need to prep my hair, and I wanted to do my nails, but I don't know if I'll be able to because I did not get any nail glue, so no, I will not be able to do my nails. But I do need to prep my hair for however I'm gonna have it tomorrow. I don't even know what I'm gonna do to it. Yeah, I'll see y'all when we get home. This vlog is pretty much edited. I do need to finish editing it, and then it'll be ready to be out tomorrow. I have missed a couple of days of Vlogmas, but it is what it is. As long as we get it done, we'll get it done. Yeah. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, we done got home. Colton, I have to clean this bathroom tonight before I can record. I go to bed. Hopefully I'm in bed before I go to bed. I ain't even in the bathtub with dirty water. Sometimes, I just don't really understand. I just don't really understand this sometimes. So why behind things? And then again, I'll be having things and kids. So, I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me get this stuff done, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, my house is a little chaotic right now because I have a child. But let's make our nighttime chia seed water. Got some honey. Drizzle it like you're making an iced coffee. I am going to pour our 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. One, two. This time, as y'all see, I did not put ice in the cup because I feel like it stopped me from getting a lot of the chia seeds. We're going to fill our cup up with the juice. Put out three squirts of Lucas. Here's my straw. We are about to let it sit for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and stir it again. Okay, y'all, let's drink our nighttime chia seed water. It has been 20 minutes, so we got to get ready to drink it. It got some clumps in it, and it has no ice this time, y'all. So I'm gonna be drinking mostly chia seeds. Let's go.